Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to recreate a look from the beautiful Tailormadejaine. I'm always inspired by her, but this look I was like, love it. I'm gonna try to do my best to recreate that look. Y'all see what I'm saying? Like, that look is like bomb. But first things first, we're gonna moisturize our face with the MAC Strobe Cream. And this is just gonna make our look even, it's gonna glow. So I usually just put it on the back of my hand just a little bit. This is, every time I use this, I feel like I use way too much. We're just gonna be moisturizing our face. Y'all got a pimple. Oh, I'm so mad. So mad. And what is this called? This is a 2-in-1 brow perfector. And so it has the brush on one end, and then it has the pencil on the other end. I just do light brush strokes. So I'm just using my spoolie just to brush the product in more. Boom, boom, boom. And I don't know if I told you guys, but I tried to arch my eyebrows myself, and like, I mean, I did cool. I just took away like the extra hairs or whatever that are not supposed to be there. So yeah. We have to be very cautious, even though it is really pretty outside. Like, don't be crazy, you know. Just make sure you're staying safe. Make sure you come back in, take a shower and stuff like that. Like, when I went to the beauty supply store, they were like letting one person in at a time, so that was cool. And like, just make sure you have your gloves and your mask and stuff like that, and make sure you wipe down your products that you do purchase. So it's a friendly tip. Okay, so now we're gonna just be cleaning up our brows. This is my favorite brush. Like, I will take this any and everywhere with me. If your brows are messed up, uneven, this is your best friend. This brush right here is so firm, it's like perfect for brows. And this brush is the Morphe M432 brush. I say this name all the time because I use it all the time. Just taking my NYX concealer, and we're just gonna clean up these brows. You guys are gonna hear noise outside. I like this brow pencil. Wow. I'm like, this looks better than when I use my eyeshadow. Girl, I swear, these brows look good, y'all. Like, every time I usually do my brows on camera, I swear I be feeling like they are just like a mess. Okay, let's clean up the other brow. Oh, I can't be doing that around people, you know what I'm saying? Because they might think something, yeah. Okay, so Tailormadejaine, she applies her makeup different. She starts with her concealer and her foundation, her powder and all that stuff, and then she does her eyes last. I usually don't do my eyes last because I'm afraid of fallout and stuff, and if I mess up I just need to quickly wipe it off with a bare face. But she's a pro, so pray for me, okay? Because I've never did my foundation, powder, concealer and stuff first before I did my eyes, so I'm gonna be using LA Girl Pro Coverage foundation. Got some new foundation, and I couldn't color match, so hopefully this is the color of my skin, because there was a lot of bottles that look like this. So this color is called Sand, so pray for me. Let me just start on my chin to see if it's like this can blend in. Oh, this is like perfect. It's so crazy because I asked my boyfriend too, and he like pointed to this one. I was like, well damn, how would you know too? Because I was thinking the same thing. I was literally thinking the same thing, like this looked like this is my color, but I'm like, it was a bunch of other ones that looked like it was my color as well, so kind of got confused. So I'm doing 3 pumps. So this is with the light off, this is with the light on, so I probably look a little white or whatever, but it's from my light. She usually do under here as well. Cause she usually like, her under eyes be like lit, like literally. That's probably a little too much. But this how she do it. And when she highlights, she like, actually she doesn't use this, she uses a brush. I'll use this brush, and she like pats everything in, so she could have she likes her under eye to be really bright, so we're gonna do that. Sharing is caring, so I'm gonna spread some love over here as well. I want my under eyes to be bright too. She's like the best makeup artist, you guys. If you haven't seen her yet, you need to, because she is like the bomb. She's like the mother of makeup. Yo, this pimple is annoying. I kind of feel like using the brush is really easy too. I feel like I look so much different. Like, this is so good. Like, this look is everything. Y'all. Yes. See, I need to always do her steps, because yeah, this look fire. You know how you could already just like already see that it's gonna be fire? That's how I feel right now. Like, this is already fire. Okay, so I'm using my Helen E Cosmetics Stage Eyeshadow Primer. So when she usually does her primer, she usually like pat it in. I believe this is from the UK, so it better be great, like they say. I'm gonna add NARS Orgasm Blush. Okay, honey. Okay, and now on to the fun part. So she did a pink eye with glitter. Eee! So excited. So I'm gonna be in my NYX palette. I'm gonna use this pink right here. Oh, yes. There's a hair right here. I like how this color is showing up like immediately. This might be some good stuff, actually. So I'm just gonna pack this on both eyes. There's a little bit of fallout, but that's okay. I'm just dragging this pink up right now. Okay, so as you guys can see how darker it is on the lid, up top I'm doing a lighter pink. Okay, so I just drug the lighter pink up a little bit more just to give it that like kind of like ombre effect, like from the dark to the light. Under the eye we're gonna do this one here. I'm just gonna pat that under my eye. Yeah, this primer is way better than the P. Louise primer. So that's a really good sign that I'll be definitely using this more often. She had a little speckle of gold. So I'm just gonna add a little bronze little pop there. Let's see that. Yeah. Just a little twinkle. Okay. So now we're gonna move on to glitter. So I ordered some glitter from Golden Paradise, and it comes in this diamond shape. And TaylorMade also, she purchased some too. She didn't like how the case was. I think she thought the case was really pretty, but like setting it down and like, you know, it's like it kind of rocks and like tilts and stuff like that, and you don't want to spill your glitter, so make sure the top is on right. Me, I don't mind it too much because when I set it down, let me show you guys what I do. I set it down like this and it stays, and then I just dip my brush in and get the glitter out. So I'm taking my NYX glitter glue, and this is by Coastal Scents. It's the number 8. It's a flat brush. I'm just gonna pat a little bit of this on. Make sure you tap your brush to get the extra glitters off, and then you want to pat your glitters on. And these glitters are really pretty because they're like circles, like chunky. So I love, love, love them. Pick up some more because I like how this looks. I really, really wanted to use this glitter. I've been wanting to use this glitter, so I just decided to today. Ooh, so pretty. Like, I feel like I'm in a, like, I'm gonna go like dancing or something. So, so pretty. I think I like these chunky glitters better than the like loose, really tiny loose glitters. Now we're gonna move on to lashes. So the mascara I'm using today is by Sephora, and this is called Lashcraft. And she had on bottom lashes in this video, but like I didn't pick up any because this was like a last minute kind of thing. On to the lips. 24-hour flawless lip liner, and the color is called cherry red, berry red. Is it called berry red? What is it called? Berry red, yeah. Get it too high. So she lined her lips with a dark liner. This is so long. Okay, okay. And girl, this is gonna be on 24 hours, honey. Yes. So they say. Huda Beauty lipstick. This is in the color Board Meeting, and it's a nude. So, and she used a nude for her lips, so we're just gonna use this one. Really beautiful combination. Love a nude lip. If you don't, you're insane. Like, legit. Oh my god. Y'all. Like, did I just come with it or not? Okay. And I never really liked blush like that, but like, God. So good. Beautiful. So in this look, she didn't want to overpower it with highlighter, so she just put a little bit of highlighter on her nose, but I love me some highlighter, so I just have to. I just cannot not put highlighter on. Like, are you kidding me? I'm going in with my Morphe highlighter in Spark. And she just put a little bit on her nose, but I'm just gonna like do what I usually do. Just a little bit on my forehead. I don't want to be too shiny. And now, oh my god, this background, like, y'all probably think like, this girl, where does she live? I'm taking my nude lipstick by Morphe, and this is called Free Bird. She topped her lips off with a nude gloss, so we're just gonna do that. Hey y'all. It smells so good. It smells like vanilla. I love Morphe because this is what I usually do. And here you have it. All right, dolls. Our look is complete. Bye, dolls.